Sundays on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real, but somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, oh, why did it take us so long? Hey, oh, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, oh, and now my prayers get answered in my darkest time, 'cause now I found you. Waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. And now that you're by my side,